I wouldn't be Lyrical Opposition Takeover if only one person was new. So we got to bring up some more new people. So make some noise for my man, BxCause. Angie in the building. Come on down.
Man, I just want to thank y'all for having the opportunity, for letting us to, come and invade your guys' service. I pray that this blesses you in a creative kind of way. The first piece I'll be doing is called, it's going to be about me fight. It's a tug of war between me and the world. And the second piece is going to be called The Calling. It's going to be 2 short pieces. Father, you breathed life into my very core, and of course I walked away in this human body that you created from the dust. Molded, shaped, and crafted from the earth's crust. Crushed was he that had made me. Lust was the sin, but still he didn't forsake me, no. He pursued me. His unstoppable love consumed me, yet I still didn't understand. I couldn't grasp such a love, so I let it slip through my hands, and there I land. Back to listening to the voice of this world, drowning out the voice of my Father. The further I leave his voice, the harder it becomes to come to his altar. He alters my path and corrects me in love, removes the plugs deep within my ears and the blinds from my eyes, time and time again. His mercy and grace awaits for me, but every time I'm away from his presence, death awaits me, and I look at the world and I say, you must have mistaken me. I do not belong to this world, but I belong to the glorious kingdom above. I'm not a byproduct of this world, but I belong to the glorious kingdom above. I belong to he that had made me, he that has saved me. He is the great I am. He is my Father, and I am loved.